Classic chewy brownie. We believe the best kind of brownies are the fudgy kind. If you think otherwise, trust us, this recipe is sure to change your mind. Ingredients: 125 grams Coles organic unsalted butter, chopped. 125 grams Cadbury baking dark chocolate, chopped. 3 eggs, lightly whisked. 335 grams 1/2 cups white sugar. 115 grams 3/4 cup plain flour. 30 grams 1/4 cup Dutch cocoa powder. 1 tsp vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Step 1. Preheat oven to 180°C 160°C fan forced. Grease a 20 cm base measurement square cake pan and line with baking paper. Step 2. Place butter and chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Over a saucepan of simmering water, don't let the bowl touch the water. Stir with a metal spoon until melted. Remove from heat. Quickly stir in egg, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, vanilla, and salt until just combined. Pour into prepared pan. Bake for 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out with moist crumbs clinging. Set aside to cool completely.